here, and I'm making another video. I've been doing a bunch of random stuff lately. Haven't posted a video in almost a year now, since September. But I'm going to be showing you how to make a butterfly knife out of knex. If you don't know what knex are, they're like little building things. You can build things with them. But they're here. These are what you will need. These are all your supplies. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So you will need 4 red pieces, 4 red long ones, 1 yellow one, 6 gray connector pieces. They look like this. 3 little white ones, 2 orange pieces, a red 90-degree angle, and 2 like little ball bearing connector pieces. So what you want to do first is you want to get your right angle, and you want to get a white piece. Snap it in one there, and one there. So it looks like that, okay? Now, you want to put 2 pieces, like 2 of the gray pieces like this, onto one of the white pieces. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background. Someone's at the door or something. I don't know. But then you want to get a red piece. You want to, 2 of them actually. You want to stick them inside of those gray pieces. Now you're going to get another one, stick the hole through there like that, and you want to connect the other one like that, so you have this. And you want to do the exact same thing to the opposite side. So you have 2 of these parts. So I'll do that quick right now. So I've done that. Now I put one there, and one there, and another one through like that, and snap it into place. And then you want to take an orange one and get it to the bottom. Snap it on so it's smooth, and then snap it onto the other side, like that. You want to do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, now here's your handle, if you can see that. Now what you want to do is you want to get another piece of this, like another white one. You want to stick it through the hole right here of the right angle piece we started with. And then you want to snap 1 ball bearing piece, so one of these black ones, onto each side, so it will not come off like that. That just holds it in place, so the blade will stick out here, and there. You're pretty much done. So yeah, I'll just do some clips right now. Here we go. So here's the clips. This is the finished product. So I just closed it. Here, I'll teach you how to do the simple opening. So you want to start out closed, and you want to hold your hand like it's just your palm facing up, and then you want to, well, the back of your hand facing up, and you want to flick it out so it hangs loose like that with your palm facing up now. Now when you bring it back up, you want to turn your hand, but do not turn the knife, you just like that. Okay, so you go like that, and while you're doing that, you go and flip it like that. So my palm, the back of my hand is still facing backwards now. Now you open up your grip, and then you go like that, and you just flick it, and then grab it. So this is what, and then you just do the exact same thing to close it, like that. So this is what, yeah, you just saw it. Yeah. More advanced version, you just do the exact same thing. Push it out. Alright, here. Push it out, back, and then you just like, so from this, sorry, and then you bring it down and around, so if that makes sense, down and around, And then that's pretty much it. I don't know, I'm not very good at explaining things, but there's this one, like, that's pretty much it. So have fun with this. It works pretty well. I want to get a real one, well not real, but trainer soon. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Please comment and like the video. Thank you.